About this item important, your refrigerator has 3 LED lights. Please check the other 2 LEDs in the refrigerator. If you purchase a new W10515057 light and it still doesn't work, that means you have short circuit with other 2 LED lights. W10515058 light is main LED light on the ceiling. The other 2, W10515057, one is in the mid-section of the cooler side, the other one is in the freezer side. Upgraded quality, comparing with the other models in the market, this new W10515057 LED light is equipped with improved electronic elements with safety control module. Replacement for these part numbers, WPW10515057, W10398007, W10515057, PS11755866, AP60225533. Whirlpool WRS325FDAT02, WRS325FDAM02, WRS325FDAM04, WRS325FDAM01, WRS331FDDB01, WRS331FDDW01, WRS331FDDM01, Kenmore 1064112213, 1064 112 2211, 1064 112 2212, 1064 112 2210. Compatibility: this W10515057 light is compatible with fridges of Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag. Some of the Whirlpool models are WRS322FDAB, WRS322FDAD, WRS322FDAM, WRS322FDAT, WRS322FDAW, WRS322FNAB, WRS322FNAE, WRS322FNAH, WRS322FNAM, WRS325FDAB, WRS325FDAD, WRS325FDAM, WRS325FDAT, WRS325FDAW,